Welcome to our channel. Now we will discuss the difference between computer organization, computer design and then computer architecture. Okay. Now any computer is made up of hardware components. That means here whether it is organization or design or architecture mainly involves the hardware components. Now we will move one by one. The first one is computer organization. What is mean by organization? Simply arrangement. So computer organization means how the hardware components are connected in the computer and how the hardware components are working. Simply see this one, how the hardware components are connected and how the components are working. This internal working is specified by using computer organization. Clear? That means some hardware devices, ALU, memory, etc. How ALU works, how the data transfer between the register, that internal working mechanism is computer organization. In simple notation, how the system operates internally. That means I have one computer. If I given some input, it produces some output. Yes or no? Yes. How it is happened? That is main deals with organization. Clear? Now, computer design. The name specifies here I am not giving input and I am not getting output. I want to design a computer. I want to design a computer. If you want to design a computer, what are the requirements? You need some hardware components. Yes or no? I need some hardware components. Obviously, the design specifies what are the actual hardware components that are needed for designing a computer. So, the actual hardware components that are needed for designing a computer. That means, suppose a client given some requirement. Once the specification all completed, then the designer to choose what hardware to use for constructing this computer and how the components should be built and how to implement the circuit. Everything is a design of hardware component according to the user specification. That means simply a physical implementation of the computer. Physical implementation of the computer. Again in shortcut notation, how do we build the hardware? How do we build the hardware? Now coming to computer architecture. Architecture means some visible block diagram. That means how the computer looks to the user. That is, if I am the user, how the computer is seen by the user, and how by seeing the computer I can understand this is the structure. Okay, here is the monitor. Within that one CPU is there. Suppose CPU, the CPU ALU is this position. Input output processor is this position. Control unit is this position. Exactly the structure and behavior of the computer as seen by the user. That is in simple, the view of the computer that is visible to the programmer. Simple terms, how the instruction set look like, what are the data formats, what is the functional modules, describes what the computer can do and how it is organized from user's perspective. The main thing is how it looks like from the user point of view. That is what computers can do, how it is organized from user. So these are the main differences. In simple term, computer organization mainly deals with operation of the computer. That is, a computer is already designed how the computer operates. This computer design mainly deals with implementation. That is how we are implementing the hardware, how it operates, how we are implementing the hardware. The architecture mainly deals with how it is visible to the user. That is the view of the programmer. These are the main differences between organization, design and architecture. Clear? Thank you.